From political former president and as by Kuba, they try for give all glory waiting the APC political party.
Or make somebody come say, oh, the economy is bad, we are the worst economy, this and that. When I be not promised say in 6 months, when I will turn around the economy. When I don't promise say, when they can make the education, quality education. Where are we today? 3 years, 4 years down the line.
These are from political to add each way from a president again.
We don't make progress. We all don't know that. That is why the young people of the party are commending una call this retreats. The retreats not they go on, but we commend una. When they tell una thinking, una for no say this party, now the party where go make this country transform. This party, now the party where go unify this country. We'll talk about development. From the time of Shaka Stevens, when Shaka Stevens came, Bo and Kenema been they get electricity. Let me get one hydro where they call them. What thing? Dodo. Where Dodo been there? Electricity not been there 24 hours at the south and east. Electricity been there at Port Loco. Ibindena Kenema, Ibindema Kenny, you know they no side. This is what we stand for as a party. National development. We don't integrate the country, we don't care. When we come as a government, the road construction in the cities, Nabo as a launcher. From Bo to Kenema, from Kenema to Kailaun. Today, Kailaun, they get the best road.
Today,
if people let talk about anything, we don't bring Kailaun. Kailaun has waited for 50 years for this integration. Even when the SLP be there in governance, nothing will happen.
True talk.
Today, when they connect Sierra Leone to Liberia, when they use the Bo Pujen road, the bridges. Now, at the area say them bridge then they now the talk and do 91. The Gole bridge that bridge when I been there yesterday with the commissioner. Now they say na talk and do. You know, so all of them here for encouragement. Now we increase salary for teachers. Now we open more schools. Now we open more universities. Even in the south and east, we will not reach a level now for open. But where people are not get appetite for development, from the time we left, all the projects then slow down. How much if we take inside 6 months for get a university in the south and east? How much if we take inside 1 year for make the bridge them all complete? 30 days with the struggle. It shows say the people are not get appetite. But we not come for that. All what they say, so not that we come for. No, we not come for that. We not come for that.
For waiting to become a president, we don't do this now for political things. But we can go right by the thing, and you know go come and not talk the things that we not do. This now Two-Face, the National Publicity Secretary of Chagmin Sierra Leone, and the audience is really the part talk what you don't do because now good.
No, we not come for that too. Not the politics to come for. Because during the 2018 debate, we see some candidates and they say, oh, this country don't have for corruption, we don't have for this, the price of rice, and all increase from 60,000 to 120,000. This all we are going to change. How much the price of rice there now? Una not see on the social media. People that don't say the price of rice don't come from 60,000 to 120. Therefore, APC must go. People in the Renaissance movement, they don't say for wearing black. Prices that don't go up. In the Renaissance movement, tell me.
This was the former President Anas Bakouma to follow the social media ultimating the apple.
The petrol price 7,600. Renaissance leader at that time, they say then as an office now. We don't know the office side though. It's yellow and black. This country have to stop this government. The government is heartless. Able from 7,000. Who's out there now? Me the resale would go take 13,000. Anyway. Me and the person waiting for cook. Me na retired president now, and they can't left the chairmanship. When I remember that, no, una wait. No, una sit down.
This is not the former president. They try to talk to the youth people and of APC political parties. They try to tell them waiting at the way forward for 2020.
One moment,
political today,
the person who is responsible for make the job na me host, he can't tell me say, he say the rest, the bag don't go up to 400,000. Now I say it's a joke. 2 weeks later, I come back. He said, no, 420. Now I say, well, we have begin the staff, but we cannot afford it anymore. So if me at the level not able to afford that, what about the ordinary man? When I came this morning, I stopped in one village. I said, I talk to the villagers them. Just because I can like for talk to the villagers. Now tell me say pa, we not able to buy a bag of rice for a very long time. I say, well, this is a serious business. The villagers, a small village. And I say, well, you know what you do? Now, not like yesterday, me a retired president now. So what I go do? I go give you money for one bag rice. When I go manage them, say next time when I come back now, we will try. And I say, but who say again you go come? Now I say, well, you know, but
this
all this way at all, not to that you we come for tell una say, we na a party where law abiding. We are a party where they listen to the law. We all already look all what you don't wear. When I don't come up from all the way na Kaila, not so. Kaila there, not so. Kenema there, not so. Kono there, not so. Bode na, not so. Puja ude no so, Monday no so, we get Moyambana no so, we get Falaba, we get Kwenadugu, we get Gambia, we get Port Loko, we get Pombali, we get Tonkolele so, we get the western area. we don't come for make we get a youth league retreat. We can't forget a youth retreat. Not a convention. Now for make we begin to address the things them about the party. And I want to commend una where we do that. Because as a party, we're not for justice. You don't almost say pass convention for go elect officers. All of they get the convention, them go learn about the party, what in the party stand for, how the party be formed, why they form the party, what in are the aims and objectives of the party. Then all then are the new party constitution. What in are the philosophy of the party. This party, now because people feel say the ordinary man was not represented. The party then na class party. If you don't belong to the family, you don't get nothing. This party come in for make we fill in that gap there. So we get to understand how the party form. And we all now get to believe in what in the party stand for. If we not believe in what in the party stand for, we not will be motivated. If we not believe in what in the party stand for, we not will come together. That is why I commend the youths where they organize this, and I go encourage you now. When the heavy clouds them, allow the big rain for fall, and the sunshine comes, now we'll continue with the engagements here. Now we'll continue with the engagements of knowing who we are, what we stand for. And from the time they formed this party, we have stayed committed to values, the commitments, the way the party stand for. That is why from 67 throughout onto this period, now we don't do the things same way they address the desires of the ordinary man, the social infrastructure, the physical infrastructure, the economic infrastructure, the democratic infrastructure, and the national cohesion. We don't come for divide the country. We don't unify the country. Today we see the deep divide the country. It saddens us. So youths are encouraged you now to continue. But when the sunshine comes. Today we now go proceed with this retreat. The courts say we know for proceed. The PPRC say we know for proceed. But I encourage you now. We get for be strong. The APC is born out of a struggle, and the struggles we must continue with. That is why we say in the struggles of the APC, there is victory. So we ask now or go back to our destinations, be very peaceful, be law-abiding.
Don't cancel Isai.
Do go clean Gisno. Do go clean Gisno. Do go clean Gisno. But now no worry. Let us now in the things you want to get na cohesion. Let all work together. In what you for do, we for put up resilience. So if I reach there, we na a law-abiding party. Let us be peaceful. Let us work together in the struggles of APC,
there
is victory.
Big victory.
There is victory.
Now, so we end the former president Ahmed Bazoum. So end everything. From political surveys, I could listen to this song for council. All what they have to do is there is a victory for us come 2023 as the party now law abiding. End is
in the struggles of APC, there is victory. Thank you, friends.
stand firm. In the strength. And we don't inside the product of heart. We don't have everything. We will start to fight and conquer now.